I think it's time that I lost some weight. I've been trying to lower the weight of the GoPro Hero. I can't even GoPro Hero. I've been trying to lower the weight of the Hero 9. Flying with it, it's a ton heavier than the Session 5. So I picked up a kit from GoPro Productions, which is an adapter that allows you to connect the... hold on. I picked up a kit from GoPro Productions, which is... hold on. Which allows you to remove the battery of the Hero 9 to save weight. Hopefully, you know, it doesn't fly like a brick trying to hurl itself through the air.
Lift off.
It looks like it's made very well. I mean, the cable is got fabric around it. It's nice, you know, connectors, 3D printed case for the balance lead, and the side door fits very perfectly on the side. It actually snaps in. It's like it looks like it's very well measured and precision made. I'm gonna see what kind of difference it makes. I've got it on the drone now. I don't have it on the drone, it's in my hand. We're gonna see what it's like with a little bit heavier, lighter. Just gonna cut to some flight footage with the Hero 9 and the adapter, and we're gonna see if I need to say anything at the end of the video. We will. You're one guy. All right, that makes a huge difference. This thing is ripping again. It's a little bit heavier than the Session was. I don't really know the exact weight difference, but super happy with the performance. It was like I could blip the throttle and it would move again. So just a little bit more responsive. I actually just flew the same exact build with a Session 5 earlier today, and it felt very similar to that. I'm sure it's a little bit heavier, but it's not anything that's noticeable. So super happy with it. I suggest trying it. Go over to GoPro Productions and pick up their Hero 9 kit. So that's it for today. Thanks. Removing the battery